Hello everyone, it's day 2 of the Not Eating Out challenge with Kathy Irway and a bunch of other bloggers. So I'm Addie Broyles, I write about food for the Austin American-Statesman. This is Julian, he's my 3-year-old. We like to cook together, this is his counterbird position. And so tonight we're going to make, it's a very typical weeknight. Got home about 5 o'clock, it's now about 5:30. We're all pretty hungry, and I'm going to give myself 30 minutes. If Ray Ray can do it in 30 minutes, I can do it in 30 minutes, right? So we're going to make shrimp, bacon and green beans, and grits. What do you think? Can we do it in 30 minutes? High fives? Yes! Yesterday's eating in took all afternoon because we were making homemade croissants. Tonight's eating in took 30 minutes. So, I'm not Rachel Ray. I'm Addie Broyles. And stay tuned.
I don't like to eat at the table.